Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by going straight to Business Suite and signing in with the account that manages your page. Once signed in, connect your Facebook page and Instagram profile, give admin or editor permissions so tools work. Make sure your primary page, time zone, and currency are correct. These affect scheduling and ad billing. Next, link any additional pages or partners. Doing this first avoids permission errors later and sets a single control center for posts, messages, and analytics. You'll now create and schedule content with intent. Start a post, add media, captions, and a call to action, tag people or locations to boost reach. Once done, choose Publish Now, Schedule, or Save as Draft. Scheduling ensures consistent reach across time zones. If relevant, enable cross-posting to Instagram and set audience targeting to narrow reach by location or interest. Preview each placement to confirm crop and text limits. This step prevents awkward truncation and improves engagement. Finish by mastering the inbox and insights. You handle messages from one place, assign conversations to team members, and use saved replies to save time. Once done, check insights for reach, engagement, and top-performing posts. Compare date ranges to track trends. Make sure your ads account is synced so campaign data flows into the dashboard. If something breaks, first confirm page roles and ad account access. If syncing fails, reauthorize integrations and clear cache before retrying. That usually fixes common errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.